So I'm going to show you a simple YouTube strategy that can absolutely blow up your community's growth in the next 30 days. Now, this is also fantastic for firing up your channel as well. So I'm actually using this myself to pivot slightly with the niche that I'm using so that I can get more views, more attention, and establish myself as a new authority in my target audience. So it's a great way of firing up your channel and also growing your Skool community really, really quickly at the same time with tons of the right people, the tons of the exact people that you potentially want inside your community. So let's get into it. It's a really simple method, and it all starts with basically targeting one group of people with one problem and one solution. You may have heard me talk about this in other videos before, but I'm a big fan of really niching down, getting hyper niche around one particular problem for your particular audience, your particular niche, because most niches are very large and they're very broad. And when we're trying to grow on YouTube, we're often thinking about views more than we are sales. And if you're thinking about sales, then going more targeted is normally better. So if you want to grow your community with the right people and generate leads, sales, clients, and so on, then the more targeted they are around a common goal, inevitably, actually, the better your community will be in terms of engagement as well, and also your channel. So I like to start with one group of people with one problem and one solution. Now, you may think that what you're teaching can help many people, it can fix many problems, and that may be the case, but you really still want to narrow things down. Otherwise, you'll be speaking to everybody and nobody. So you really want people to watch the video and go, oh, you're speaking to me. This is me. Okay, yes, this video is for me, and then I will watch another video and go, this one is also for me, and this one, and this one, and I'll start binge watching your videos, and then there'll be calls to actions inside your videos, and I will then go through to your community. Hopefully it's free to start, or low ticket, or whatever you're doing, and then you will start to get people inside your community. Now, what people do is they end up looking at their community and their content as separate entities. So maybe you've got your general content that you're producing for your channel here, and then you've got your community here, and you're just passively filtering some people, saying that if you would like to know more about this, then we've got this more targeted community where we help this type of person. And obviously, if you've got general content and then your channel, your community is a bit more targeted as well, or it's general, then you're just going to be filtering people in, and there's going to be no real clear action or goal. So what people often do is they have their community and their content as separate things. So you really want to make sure that everything is congruent, that this is actually more of a big one circle, where one circle and everything is inside it. So what you are speaking about inside your content is the same as what you're speaking to inside your community. So the community is just for people that want more. They want more content from you, they want more contact from you, and they also potentially want more training. They're ready for the next steps. So they may be willing to become a client of some kind. But when you're focusing on that one group, the one problem and the one solution within your content on YouTube, and then you filter people into the community and it's all congruent, it all follows a natural progression to the natural next step, then filling your community becomes much easier. So your content is already speaking to people that would be ideal for your community. Now, this might sound straightforward, but most people go too broad in videos because they want to reach more people. And that's where it falls short, because that's when it separates your community from your content. So general content, again, you're getting this, you need to niche down and make sure that everything is congruent between your community and your content. That way, it's easier to get people inside the community. So, for example, if I was, say, helping people on how to grow my Skool community with YouTube. So my goal was to help people grow their Skool community with YouTube. And if we come back, one group, one problem, one solution. So if we come back up, the one group is community owners on the Skool, and the one problem is to grow their Skool community. And then the one solution is with YouTube. So simple 3 steps. So helping community owners grow their Skool community with YouTube. So we have a clear proposition here. Now, if I then come down, now that I know who I serve, what the problem is, and how I'm going to fix it for them, they're inevitably going to have lots of questions around that particular topic. And this is where you can establish yourself as a niche authority. You can create a huge amount of content very quickly without having to think too much. And that is these people here will now have many different questions that they want to ask. And if you use tools like vidIQ, you can go into their keyword search tool and you can check for the types of keywords that people might be using, that the main keywords that you're using for your channel that maybe you want to become an authority on, put them into there, and then you can select the questions tab, and that will give you a lot of general questions that people are already currently asking on YouTube. So once you've got those questions, and you can come up with different questions they may have as well, you could also ask ChatGPT or Grok or any AI to maybe come up with some other ones as well. It's better if you can check to see what people are already searching for on YouTube and maybe even Google. But think about the questions that they may have. So Skool community owners, it could be how to grow my Skool community with YouTube. It could be how to grow my Skool community. It could be there could be so many different questions around this. How to create videos that grow my Skool community. There's so many questions that people might have. How to set up my Skool community properly. How to set up my channel. What type of content will work best for growing my Skool community? There are so many questions, hundreds of questions. How can I grow my Skool coaching business with YouTube? How can I grow my Skool coaching business without needing ads? There are so many different questions I could target to position in the right way. And then across a 30-day period, so what I recommend that you actually do is that you then answer these questions inside videos across the 30 days. And I recommend that you use conversational types of videos. So it could be similar to like this. Could just be you talking to the camera, having a few bullet points. I'm using my iPad. Sometimes I use slides. Sometimes I just speak directly to the camera. It could be you out and about in the car, walking down the street, sitting outside, sitting on the sofa in your living room. Wherever you're going to do it, whatever works best for you and is easiest for you to create quick content. I almost like to call this your sort of coffee break creator. So if you've got 15 minutes for a coffee, that is a perfect opportunity for you to sit down and answer one of these 30 questions. And you could do that every single day for 30 days. Long form content only, because we want conversions, and short form doesn't help with conversions. So we want long form, almost vloggy style, but I don't like to use the term vlogging too much anymore because I think it's getting a negative view. But conversational, authentic, real, unedited, simple videos. So you can do a little bit of editing, but keep it relaxed. Talking to a friend, that type of conversational video. But just answer one of these each and every day and do that for 30 days. And if you pick the right words for the right questions that you want to become a niche authority on, then this is going to gradually, in YouTube's eyes and also for other people, it's going to see you as a niche authority. You're going to become a niche authority. And if you're answering questions that the same people might have, imagine if I came to the channel and then I got one question answered, and then I realized, oh, you've got 4 or 5 other questions that I was just thinking as well. So now I'm going to binge watch your content because you're answering all the relevant questions that I had around this problem that I was trying to fix. And because of that, I'm building trust. And trust now is the currency for all types of online content. If you're a course creator, you're a coach, you're an educational creator, whatever you're doing, basically trust is everything if you're trying to sell any type of services. So the way that we build trust is obviously YouTube is fantastic for that. Getting people inside our community is fantastic for that. But if I see you as an authority around this space because you're answering all of my questions, now we can then go past general questions and start to go a little bit broader and come up with different strategies to grow our channel and our community. But in the beginning, you want to be answering the core questions that are potentially going to be helping your perfect type of avatar. So based on that, one group, one problem, one solution, get the 30 questions and then answer them on a daily basis. And you can just growth sprint your way to becoming that niche authority. Now, I will also link to our free community, or I will put the QR code on the side of this video where you can scan it. And you can join us inside there for full free training on this. We'll take you through a growth sprint, everything that you need to know to get your channel set up, the types of strategies for researching your videos, and also setting up and creating your Skool community. So if you would like to go more in depth on becoming a niche authority using YouTube and Skool together, then you can join our community completely for free. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you inside the next one.